That's the Church of the Holy Blessed Virgin, mister. Modeled on the famous church in Toulouse, which is in France. You been to Toulouse, mister?
No.
We're Catholics here, mister. Ain't Baptist or nothing.
My mama said they used to burn Protestants and all, but,
Bet they don't have nothing so fine where you come from, mister. Look at them fine steeples.
Hey, you little pair of shits!
let's go! That fellow looks angry!
I'll kill you, thieving bastard!
Bye, mister!
Bastard got off.
Welcome back to Red Dead Redemption 2, partner, and welcome to Saint Denis. This city honestly sucks. I hate it. But in order to like it, I must fit in. And to do that, I must exploit the middle class and get a haircut. Now that I'm looking as dapper as ever, I need to do a couple jobs. First, I need to rob a boat, then a train station, then the bank. Of all things, I hate the bank.
Just give me 1 second, sir.
Of course, take your time. Don't reach for that gun.
Take his gun, Arthur.
I guess you were right. Only an idiot would give a greaser a gun.
Idiot, huh?
Man, I can't believe we got on the boat and escaped the law. This is crazy. Wait, what? What the fuck? Where am I? Oh, fuck.
What a thrill, with darkness and silence through the night. What a thrill, I'm searching and I'll melt into you. What a fear in my heart, but you're so supreme. I give my life, not for honor, but for you. In my time, there'll be no one else. Crime, it's the way I fly to you. I'm still in a dream, snake eater. Someday you go through the rain, and someday you'll feed on a tree frog. It's ordeal, the trial to survive for the day we see new light. I give my life, not for honor, but for you. In my time, there'll be no one else.
just what guided me this way. Stand unshaken. Crash of the world. Stand unshaken. Mr. Crash of the world. The vines, they often whisper, but no tongue can tell. You drinks from the deep water. May he know the depths of the well. May I stand unshaken amid Mr. Crash of the world. May I stand unshaken amid Mr. Crash of the world. Oh, traveler, what have you seen? Where there crossroads, where you been, where you been? I once was standing tall, now I feel my back's against the wall. Stand unshaken amid Mr. Crash of the world. May I stand unshaken amid Mr. Crash of the world. To me, it was there, but I could not see. And I don't wonder, as a wayward soul, was a heart to be haunted by the smoking gold. Oh, stand unshaken, amid Mr. Crash of the world. May I stand unshaken amid Mr. Crash of the world. May I stand unshaken amid Mr. Crash of the world. Stand unshaken amid this crash of the world. May I stand unshaken amid this crash of the world.